Hey there everyone, today we're going to tour my newest listing. This is in the Cimarron Hills area, 7005 Shoshone Way. It's a nice home in a popular neighborhood. It's been around since the late 70s. A lot of ranch floor plans, a lot of tri-levels, bi-levels, things like that. Pretty close to Peterson Air Force Base as well. Things to note about this home. Roof was replaced in 2017. Aluminum siding, as well as vinyl siding, and then weather resistant soffiting and fascia. So pretty low maintenance exterior. Let's go inside and take a look. Brand new carpeting, freshly painted white walls. This is a ranch floor plan, about 1,300 square feet, 3-bed, 2-car garage. There's a nice little addition on the back too, I'll show you. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Little coat closet right here. Laundry, machines included. Water heater and furnace are accessible over there, as well as through the kitchen. Bedroom number 1 on the main level. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. This is the master because it connects with the bathroom right through there. It's 3/4 style, shower, toilet, and then the door locks it off. Closet over here as well. And here is the bathroom. Pretty good sized vanity. Medicine cabinet style mirror. Double light fixture. A little bit of a vanity closet storage here as well. There's the kitchen. That's where the furnace and water heater are located. Refrigerator, sink, dishwasher, as well as the oven. Here's this addition on the back, and not many of the ranch floor plans in this neighborhood have extra square footage on them. Most of them are 1,064 square feet. Like I said, this one's just about 1,300. Nice windows in here too. See, they're double pane. A lot of the older homes in here are going to have aluminum double pane or aluminum single pane with a storm window. Let's go outside and have a quick look out there. Little patio area. It's nice boxwoods out here too. Trim those up, they look great. There's a shed out back. This is a really large backyard. Plenty of space over here on the side to park an RV because you have the gate right there. Swings open, you can roll your RV right back in here. Let's go inside and take a look at that garage. Little closet over here as well, I'll point that out. Extra siding is stored right up here in case you get the unfortunate hailstorm. You have plenty in reserve. That's great. I can't explain to you in enough emphasis how cool that is, because so many times you're left looking for the siding on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace trying to find it. Here's the little shop that was built on the back. There's a door to the backyard right there. Workbench, pegboard. What a space for hobbies. And then because it's zero entry right here, you know, with enough modification, you could probably move a snowmobile or 4-wheeler back in here, but a dirt bike would easily fit right through there. So anyway, that's our tour Hey, we just finished walking through 7005 Shoshone Way. Remember, this is a 1,300 square foot, 3-bed, 2-bath home located in the Cimarron Hills area of Colorado Springs, just a little bit north of Peterson Air Force Base and east of the Constitution and Powers intersection. Great neighborhood. A lot of people move into here and spend the rest of their lives here. So it's a small, quiet little community with a lot of great amenities that are popping up around here. If you want to learn more, please reach out to me. I'll put the price tag right there on the video for you to take a look at, and all of my contact information will be in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching.